During this video demonstration, I will be using what looks like live ammunition, but they're called dummy rounds. These are ammunition, a bullet in the shell, but the powder and the primer have been removed from each. These feel exactly like real ammunition. They weigh the same. They cycle perfectly. If you have a mag full of dummy rounds, it's going to feel exactly like a mag full of real ammunition. So don't freak out. It looks like real ammo. I'm not doing this with real ammunition. Alright, the Glock 43. G43. It's a pretty popular handgun. I got it because it's small and it's Glock, and I'm very comfortable with Glocks. I've had this Glock 19 for quite a while. I love it. It has never, ever had any problem. It hasn't jammed. It hasn't done anything that it's not supposed to do. Not once. This brand new Glock 43 has a defect. I'm going to load a couple of dummy rounds into this mag here. I'm going to show you what's going on with this. Alright, she's ready to go, right? Let's clear it. Mag. Eject. Oh, shit, what was that? What the hell? Now that's a great way to end up pulling the trigger to field strip your Glock and accidentally discharging a weapon. What's going on with this? There we go. It takes a lot more force than you'd think. And even that, now it's jamming up. This is a big problem with this firearm. And I think it's dangerous. Let's take a look at what's going on here. I have two of these. I bought two of them at the same time. And they both have the exact same problem. The issue appears to be in the design of the extractor on this weapon. So here's an image of the upper receiver of both my Glock 19 and my Glock 43. We can see on the bottom in the Glock 19 that the extractor is pointed out there. It fits on the rim of that casing with a nice 90-degree angled tooth. Works great. Flawless. But up on the 43, well, they didn't do the same design on that one. Maybe it's a mistake. I doubt it. It's a combination of angles, but you can clearly see that the round is going to wedge itself, the shell will wedge itself in there, just simply by the direction, shape, and design of that tooth. Now, just so that we understand how this works, I found this, I found a little animation of, great animation that I'm just going to use. I don't know where it's from. It's all over the internet. It depicts cartridge ejection. And it's not a Glock, but the concept is the same. In this design, the extractor is a nice long thing there, and it grabs from the side. But it does exactly the same thing. It's fixed on the slide, and when the blowback happens, the empty casing encounters the ejector. I'm going to watch it one more time. So, if that extractor is too tight, the ejector, obviously, in the 43, only overcomes that tight fit, that bite, when it's got maximum force on the blowback. I think this is a major problem. I will note that the 43 performs perfectly on the range with real ammo. There's enough force blowing that slide back that it has ejected every time. I've only shot maybe not even 100 rounds through it so far. I'm looking to get rid of it because I don't like that. I think that's a big problem. I don't like a firearm to do anything other than what it's supposed to do all the time. And that's what every Glock I've ever had and ever shot does. I literally not had one issue in over 10 years with this Glock 19. I don't clean it that often. It just works all the time, every time. It doesn't jam. It always cycles. It cycles everything I put in it. And it's never a problem. This 43, right out of the factory. It's
it's doing shit that it's not supposed to do. And that's scary. I don't like that. I don't know why they did this on such a large scale. If you look around online, you'll find that this happens to a lot of people, and some people solve it by sort of filing that extractor down a little bit. And I would imagine that breaking it in with several hundred rounds probably loosened up, but still, I can't ever trust it. I've never had a semi-automatic firearm that doesn't eject because the extractor is holding too tightly on that shell. What the hell is that? Is this something that this 43 is supposed to do also? What the shit? Did I do something wrong? That spring went right through the spot that's supposed to hold it. What the fuck is going on with this thing? What a piece of shit. Why would it do that? I mean, what the? That's stupid. How stupid. What the fuck, Glock?